Sorry, I shot it with this fucking shitty ass handycam DVD, and you can't fucking switch the formats. So, but they circled over my house like 8 times in a row. Would not stop. Like, circled 8 times in a row, kept flying directly towards my porch where I got all the devices pointing up and towards the jet stream and everything else. Relentlessly just circled 8 times or so. Left for about 45 minutes, came back, circled another 5 more times. I didn't give a fuck, I just stood out there waving at him. Fucking... Fuck him.